We're doing the first, as far as I know, the first independent descent of the Arroyo Blanco. This is the first rappel. Another good one. Rappel 2, 25 meters down the waterfall into the blue pool. As it hasn't rained in a week, this section of the canyon is not flowing. The water kind of like disappears as it gets filtered through the ground and then reappears downstream. But there's still some water in these potholes. This and the next one are seriously the biggest keeper potholes that I've ever seen. These blow anything out in Arizona out of the water. These are just, there's no way to escape without doing this R-rated traverse that we're on here. This is the pool of all pools. It's the bluest one that there is.